think I heard another train blowing the horn way down the line, down that way, that way. I think. But it's so far, it might be down Millwood right now. That, yeah. Or maybe I was just hearing things. I could have sworn I did. But it's like way off. I was sitting up under the bridge like because I hears the traffic too. Actually, I still think I hear it, but it's the problem with this new bridge. I don't like this new bridge because the old one you could tell when something was coming. All you hear is the traffic noise off of the bridge. Not sure. Oh, yep. There we go. I did hear one. Thought so. Where are we at? There you see the lights? Yep. My ears aren't playing tricks on me. I'm not losing my mind after all. He looks like he's coming kind of slow. Listen how quiet those engines are. I can barely hear them anymore. Oops, get up there. What we got coming here now? Oh, trash train. Uh-oh. Really stinky. I keep my eye on it, I'm going to be down there. I guess we can zoom out. Ooh, I am smelling the trash a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I am definitely smelling the trashiness. Wow, that's stinky. Can you imagine working in a landfill? Ooh, that would stink. I hope he's not going to stop. I'd have to get out of here. Oh, I think he is slowing down. This is the one you don't want to slow down and stop burning the stick. Oh man, it's hard to read. My screen's glaring, I can't see the excuse me. It's not too bad now. Smell. he's going so slow. Sorry, it's hard to hold still when you're closed in like that. That doesn't happen too often. Speed. Oops. Oh, I need to zoom you back out. There we go. Interesting. Oh, trash train's going. Oh, we got a twofer. That's pretty sweet. Still smell the trash. There's some in that one. I don't know about that one. Some of these you can see in them better. Yeah, that one's got some in it. Can't tell. Can't tell. Can't tell. That one's got cars in it. Like I said, some of them you can see through better than you can others. Oh, wow. I'm still smelling a little bit of that trash from the trash train. Wow-wee. I bet there's a DPU on this one somewhere. It's almost gotta be. Okay, there's none. I'm wrong. How about on the back? Nope. Wow. For real? Nope. No pushers on it. That's interesting. Cool. It's a good day to come down here after all, I guess. Nice. All right, there you go. That doesn't happen too often. Well, I'm going to get out of here before this gets too long, and maybe I'll see you in the next one if there's another one. Hope you enjoyed that.